Today we will learn and write I. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. So how can we write? Put your pencil on a blue line, then sleeping line, then turn, then standing line, then turn. I for ice cream. Don't lifting your pencil if you write. Next line, first we are tracing sleeping line, loops, then standing line, then turn. I for ice cream. Sleeping line, loop लेकर ऊपर, then standing line, then turn. Sleeping line, turn, then standing line, then turn. I for ice cream. You have to write with me and by speaking. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. And now we have to write by ourselves. Sleeping line, turn, then standing line, then turn. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Now next is J for joker, J for jar, J for jet, J for jug. J for joker is just like I, but I is right in 3 line and J for joker is right in 4 line, and J have is not a dot in capital cursive letter. So start sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. 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 So you have to write this whole page neat and clean handwriting and write in a 4 line properly. And today we will also write P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pen, P for pencil, P for pot. So start the writing of P, standing line, then turn, then cow. P for parrot. First red line to blue line, standing line, then turn, then red line to blue line, cow. P for parrot. Standing line, cow, P for parrot. standing line, turn, then curve. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. And in the next line, you have to write by yourself. Now take out your notebook. I just explain you what can I write in notebook. Write the date, capital cursive letter. First letter is I. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. Sleeping line, turn. I for ink pot. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for igloo. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice. Sleeping line, turn, standing line, turn. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. Sleeping line, turn, then standing line, then turn. J for joker. J for jug. J for jet. J for jar. J for again joker. J for joker. J for joker. And third letter is P. P for parrot. Standing line, turn, curve. Standing line, turn, curve. Standing line, curve, turn. Standing line, turn, curve. Standing line, turn, curve. P for parrot. P for peacock. P for pen. P for pencil. P for penguin. P for pot. Again, P for parrot. P for